hitting the ocean. That's incredible. That is amazing. Gosh, look how it's hitting the water. So
where's my camera? So I can get a picture of that. Film over your shoulder here, huh? Because if I get out the car, it's gonna.
that is. Have you ever seen that?
Never.
Oh my!
That is amazing.
Do you want to take the window down?
No, no. You could, but it's gonna
It'll
steam
it
up
up. Yeah,
camera.
don't. Gosh.
That is amazing.
So that's what it's called? A waterspout?
Waterspout.
Never seen it before.
Let me get it with my phone. Oops, this is
Yeah, do it so.
selfie.
I want to send it to Calvin.
Oh wow.
Look at that. It's moving slightly, right?
Of course.
Can you hold this? I can do it on my phone.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Wow. I would do it sideways.
Yes, I'll change it now.
Stop it.